Hello and welcome back to the Great Tech Quiz, brought to you by Cloud Career Mentor. I'm your host, Sarah Mackenzie, and I'm joined by 3 more aspiring tech professionals. They're all in it to win it because the game is really on. This is the last one before our final, so anyone could make it there, but who's it going to be? They will then be in the running to win the scholarship worth £3,000. The scholarship will help the winner learn technical skills and create great quality cloud projects that will help them break into the cloud industry. So let's meet the contestants. Hi guys, and welcome to the Great Tech Quiz. First of all, please introduce yourselves, tell me your name, where you've come from, and then let's see if those buzzers are working.
Okay, my name is Alex. I've come all the way from Banbury in Oxfordshire.
Great, and can you test your buzzer for me, Alex? Brilliant.
Hey, my name's Danny and I'm from Colchester in Essex.
Welcome, Danny.
Hi, my name is Judith and I'm from Kent.
Welcome to the show, Judith. All right, let's get on with the show. I'm excited for this one. Let's begin with round 1, the starter round. Each contestant is going to be asked 3 multiple choice questions. If they score well, it will be added on to their individual score. We're going to start with you, Alex. Are you ready?
Yes.
Great. Let's play the Great Tech Quiz. Alex, your first question. When deploying applications, which deployment method requires the maintenance of 2 separate environments for testing and production? Is it A, canary deployment, B, blue-green deployment, C, rolling deployment, or D, manual deployment?
B.
That is correct. Well done. The next question. What is scalability in cloud computing? A, the ability to encrypt data. B, the ability to increase or decrease resources as needed. C, the speed of data transfer. Or D, the security features of the cloud.
B.
Said with determination. Correct. Well done. Whizzing on through, great start. On to your last multiple choice question. Which of the following is not an example of a programming language? A, C++, B, Java, C, Git, or D, Ruby?
C.
Correct. Well done. What a great round to start with. Well done, Alex. 3 out of 3. All right, Danny, are you ready?
Absolutely.
Great. Okay, your first question. Which of the following is one of the 5 pillars of the cloud well-architected framework? A, network optimization. B, performance efficiency. C, load balancing. Or D, software development?
B.
Correct. Well done. Great start, Danny. Okay, on to your next question. Which of the following ensures that data remains confidential and secure during transmission? A, integrity. B, authentication. C, availability. Or D, encryption?
D.
Correct. Well done. Okay, third and final question. What is the purpose of DNS in networking? A, to assign IP addresses. B, to translate domain names into IP addresses. C, to block unauthorized users. Or D, to secure data on the network?
B.
Correct. Well done. 3 out of 3. Okay, Judith, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Your first question. In application deployment, what happens in the blue-green deployment method when an issue is detected in the green environment? A, rollback is impossible without downtime. B, the system automatically rolls back to the blue environment. C, the blue environment continues to serve traffic, minimizing downtime. Or D, both environments are shut down until the issue is fixed.
D.
It's incorrect. It was actually C, the blue environment continues to serve traffic, minimizing downtime. Okay, on to the next one. Question 2. What is the main role of reliability in the cloud? A, ensure cost saving while maintaining security. B, protect the confidentiality of data. C, ensure that a workload can recover from failures and meet requirements. Or D, focus on performance efficiency above all else.
C.
Correct. Well done. On to your last multiple choice question. What is the role of the df command in Linux? Is it A, display disk space usage of file systems? B, display file contents? C, format a disk? Or D, list all files?
Display file content.
Are you going for B, display file contents? It's incorrect. The answer was A, display disk space usage of file systems. Well done though. At the end of that round, the scores are Judith has 1, Danny has 3, and Alex also has 3. All right, guys, how are we feeling? We've got the first round out of the way. How do you feel, Alex?
Okay, I guess.
Yeah, no wonder you got 3 out of 3. Great. And Danny, tell me a little bit about what you're doing for work at the moment.
Well, I've spent the last year working in cybersecurity,
Right.
in financial services. So, lucky enough to join the tech field fairly recently.
Yeah, nice. And what would be the dream job for you then?
I think starting, I'd love to be more hands-on and do, cloud-related engineering, particularly on the security side.
Perfect, lovely. So this is an ideal scholarship for you.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And Judith, how are you feeling after the first round?
A little bit nervous.
That's to be expected, yeah. You're just getting into it. And what would it mean to you to make the final of the show?
It's going to be a starting point for me because I'm fully transiting or pivoting my career from a project management professional into the cloud space and basically managing architectural legacy type of projects.
Great, so it'd be a really good springboard into that for you. Fantastic. Well, let's see if we can get you there. Remember, all of our contestants are battling it out to see if they can be the final person to make it into that final, to get their hands on the scholarship that is really going to springboard them into the cloud industry. Now, I also want to know how you're getting on at home. Please make sure you play along, write your answers in the comment section, and you might be able to apply and come on the next series. But let's crack on with the quiz. It's time for round 2, the quick fire round. This is when you're going to need those buzzers. I'm going to be asking you questions. The quickest player to buzz in and give me the correct answer will get the point. If you buzz in with the wrong answer, you'll be frozen out until the person buzzes in with the correct answer. Does it make sense? Excellent. Let's play the Great Tech Quiz. Okay, question 1. What is the name of the most famous open source computer operating system? Alex.
Linux.
Correct. Well done. It seemed too obvious, didn't it? Question 2. What 3-letter word describes a standard security protocol used to establish encrypted links between a web server and a browser?
FTP?
It is incorrect. I will finish the question. What 3-letter word describes standard security protocol used to establish encrypted links between a web server and a browser, ensuring that all the data transmitted between them remains private and safe? The first word is S.
SFTP. Oh no.
What was your first answer?
SFTP.
It's incorrect.
TLS.
I'm afraid you're frozen out now, Judith. Alex, do you have an answer?
My mind is gone blank.
Blank. Don't worry, that one.
SSH? Oh, no,
The answer was SSL.
that's it.
So don't worry, no one got that one. Okay, moving on. Are you ready? Fingers on buzzers. What 3-letter word is an acronym for a security feature that prevents unauthorized access to cloud-based applications by requiring users to provide at least 2 forms of verification? Judith, you were in there first.
SSH.
Incorrect. Danny.
MFA?
Correct. Well done. Multi-factor authentication. Good job. This is a multiple choice question. What is the primary focus of the cost optimization pillar in the cloud well-architected framework? A, minimizing the number of services used. B, reducing operational overhead. C, avoiding unnecessary costs while maintaining performance. Or D, decreasing development time. Danny.
B.
Incorrect. Judith.
C.
Correct. Well done. Avoiding unnecessary costs while maintaining performance. Okay, we move on. What does IP stand for in networking? For example, IP address. Alex.
Internet protocol.
Correct. We move on. This again is a multiple choice question. What is encryption? A, compressing files to save storage space. B, converting data into a secure code to prevent unauthorized access. C, backing up data on a separate server. Or D, monitoring network traffic for suspicious activity. Danny, you got in there first.
B.
Correct. Well done. Okay. Again, this is multiple choice. What is the main advantage of using cloud services for disaster recovery? A, unlimited storage. B, faster recovery times. C, increased security risks. Or D, manual backup processes. Alex just got in there.
B.
What was the answer?
B.
Correct. It was B. That round flew by. Well done. We can breathe. Buzzer round is always intense. Whew. How did you find that round, Alex?
It was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. You're in your flow?
Yeah.
Excellent. And Danny, what made you want to get into the tech industry in the first place?
I think I've always had a passion for technology. I always like learning about it, trying to prepare things.
Yeah.
Being a big nerd, really, to be honest. So there wasn't enough of that in my life.
Yeah, well, we need you. We definitely need you in the world. And Judith, how did you find the buzzer round?
Nerve cracking.
Nerve-wracking? Yeah, it's natural when you've got to be quick, you've got to listen, there's a lot going on. But let's just see how we got on in that round. So, the current scores are, with 2 points, Judith. Danny has 5 points, and in the lead, Alex with 6 points. It's all to play for, guys. It's very, very close as we enter round 3. Do you dream of landing a high-paying, flexible cloud job that allows you to work remotely and build an exciting career? The cloud industry is booming with opportunities, but getting your foot in the door can feel impossible without the right strategy. That's where 3 simple steps to your first cloud job comes in. This free guide reveals a simple yet powerful system to help you. Learn the cloud skills that hiring managers actually care about. Create professional grade projects that showcase your talent. Position yourself with a resume and interview approach that stands out in the crowd. You deserve a fulfilling career in the cloud. And this guide is your first step. It's helped countless others secure their first cloud job. Now, it's your turn. The career of your dreams is within reach. Download your free copy now and take the first step towards your cloud success. If you are watching at home, please do keep us updated with how you're getting on. Are you beating them? Are you doing rubbish? Have you got more homework to do? Let's find out. Maybe you could be on the next series and you could win that incredible scholarship worth £3,000. We enter round 3 and this really takes things to the next level. In this round, each contestant will get a choice to make. They can either opt for an easy question or a hard question. If they opt for an easy question, they have the chance to win 2 points. However, if they get it wrong, they will drop 2 points. If they choose a hard question and decide to brave it, they could potentially gain 4 points. But if they get it wrong, they're going to drop 4 points. It's all to play for here, but the contestant with the lowest score will be leaving the competition at this point. So make sure you're focused, guys. Let's play the Great Tech Quiz. All right, Alex, how brave are you feeling? Are you going to go for an easy or a hard?
Hard.
You're going to go hard question?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. All right, Alex, here is the hard question. What is the purpose of chmod command in Linux? A, to display file contents. B, to change file permissions. C, to move files between directories. Or D, to copy files.
B.
B? Correct. Well done, it paid off. 4 points to you. All right, Danny, are you going to go for an easy or a hard question?
Gonna have to go for the hard question.
You're going to do it? All right. This is a scenario-based question. A company wants to encrypt data so that only users with the correct description key can read it. Which encryption type should they use? A, symmetric encryption. B, asymmetric encryption. C, hashing. Or D, VPN.
I'm gonna go for C.
C, hashing.
Yes.
Incorrect. It was B, asymmetric encryption. Unlucky, Danny. All right, Judith, are you going for an easy or a hard?
I'm torn. I'm torn in between.
You're doing the mental maths here.
Let's go for the easy one.
Easy? Okay. All right, Judith, this is your question. What is cloud computing? A, storing data on your local computer. B, accessing infrastructure services and resources over the internet. C, using a private network for personal files. Or D, running software on CDs or DVDs.
B.
Correct. Well done. What a round. Oh my goodness, let's find out who is going through to the next round to go head to head. With 10 points, the person through to the next round is Alex. Well done. And the next person through with 4 points is Judith, which means sadly we are saying goodbye to Danny. He took a risk and it took him down to 1 point, but it was so nice to have you, Danny. How do you feel?
A bit gutted and a bit frustrated with my answer, to be honest.
Yeah.
But no, happy to have been here. And
Well,
been
you
great
can tell
fun.
that you know your stuff. So
Thank
good
you.
luck with everything and thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
It's round 4, it's head to head, and we're going to find out who's going to join the others in that final for the chance to win the scholarship with the Cloud Career Mentorship. And this really could be a game changer and get you that dream job in tech. That was intense. How are you? Judith, how are you feeling?
A bit calm.
Yeah, good. No wonder. You're like, I'm through to the next round. That was probably good that you went for that easy question, just safely got you in there.
Yeah.
Alex, you're absolutely smashing this.
Well, happy to be going through to the final round. So yeah.
Yes, let's see who's going to make that final. Okay, let's continue. It's the head-to-head round where each contestant will be asked 5 questions. If it's a tie, we'll go to sudden death. Whoever wins the victory will go through to that final with the chance to get the scholarship to the Cloud Career Mentorship that's going to break them into the tech industry. Now, Alex, you are leading, so you are going to go first. However, the points don't matter anymore because I have cleared it to 0 each. So let's begin round 4. Let's play the Great Tech Quiz. All right, contestants. Alex and Judith, are you ready?
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, Alex, your question is first. What is cloud governance? A, the rules, policies and processes that ensure proper use of cloud services. B, managing the physical servers in a cloud data center. C, encrypting data before storing it in the cloud. Or D, monitoring cloud service performance.
A.
You're going with A. Correct. Well done, Alex. Judith, your question. What is a cloud hypervisor? A, a virtual machine used for running applications. B, a software layer that allows multiple virtual machines to run on a physical server. C, a tool for encrypting cloud data. Or D, a type of cloud storage for unstructured data.
B.
Correct. Well done. Alex, back to you. In an application deployment, which deployment method is most likely to result in downtime? A, rolling deployment, B, blue-green deployment, C, manual deployment, or D, canary deployment?
Manual.
Correct. Judith, back to you. This is a scenario. A business needs to store frequently accessed data that must be quickly retrievable in the cloud. What storage option should they use? A, cold storage, B, hot storage, C, object storage, or D, CDN?
Cold storage.
Incorrect. It is hot storage. Alex, back to you. This is a scenario. A company wants to store sensitive customer data in the cloud, but regulations require that the data remains in specific geographic locations. What cloud feature ensures compliance? A, cloud bursting, B, virtual private cloud, VPC, C, multi-region deployment, or D, data residency?
C.
Incorrect. The answer is D, data residency. Multi-region deployment distributes resources but does not ensure specific residency, so close. Judith. What does cloud provisioning refer to? A, encrypting data stored in the cloud. B, allocating and configuring cloud resources for use. C, monitoring cloud performance. Or D, creating backup copies of data.
B, allocating.
Correct. Alex. What does disaster recovery, DR, refer to in cloud computing? A, encrypting data to prevent loss. B, automating system performance checks. C, ensuring the rapid recovery of systems and data in the event of a failure. Or D, scaling resources based on traffic demand.
C.
Correct. Well done. Judith. In the performance efficiency pillar, what is the recommended approach to optimize your workload's performance? A, always over-provision resources. B, use the same instance type for all workloads. C, experiment and involve using data-driven approaches. Or D, avoid managed services.
C.
Correct. A scenario question for you, Alex. A development team needs to ensure that their microservices architecture is resilient to failures and can automatically retry failed operations. Which architectural pattern should they implement? A, bulkhead pattern, B, circuit breaker pattern, C, singleton pattern, or D, factory pattern?
A.
It's incorrect. It is B, circuit breaker pattern. Judith, if you get this question right, you are through to the final. Here is your question. It's a scenario question. You want to schedule a task to run at a specific time in the future. Which Linux command should you use? A, crontab, B, at, C, nohup, or D, shutdown?
A.
It's incorrect. The answer is B, at. Crontab schedules reoccurring tasks, but at is for one-time future tasks. So quite tricky. Okay, Alex, you need to get this right to stay in the game. Here's your question. In a public cloud model, who owns and manages the infrastructure? A, the user, B, the cloud service provider, C, a third-party contractor, or D, the government?
A.
It's incorrect. The answer is B, the cloud service provider. Okay, Judith, you need to get this right to stay in the game. What is the primary purpose of cloud regions? A, to separate different cloud services. B, to provide low latency access to cloud resources across different geographic locations. C, to store data for future use. Or D, to manage cloud security settings.
B.
Correct. That means, Judith, you are through to the final. Well done. Unfortunately, Alex, that means you are leaving us now. You played such a good game. Well done. How are you feeling?
Gutted, but yeah.
Yeah,
that's
you
the
were
way
a
it goes.
great contestant. Really,
you.
you really knew your stuff.
Thank
Just
you.
unlucky towards the end. Judith, you've made it to the final. How do you feel?
Excited.
Yes, as you should. Well, that's very exciting. Well, that brings us to the end of our 4th episode, which means we're heading to the final with our 4 contestants who are going to battle it out for that scholarship from the Cloud Career Mentor. If you have been playing at home and you think, hey, I could do this, then make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and then you'll know when the final is on, and you could also apply for the next season. See you next time. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed it. The next video will be out next week, but if you're watching from the future, you can click here to watch it. If you want a free video on a great strategy you can follow to break into the cloud industry, you can click here.